And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a honeydo project. You see, the rain shower head. Number 55 drill bit. You see, all bunch of clogging. Now my wife, she soaked this thing in CLR, you know, the thing's supposed to remove calcium, lime, and rust stains. So you see now, I take the number 55 drill, and I thought of hydrochloric acid, but I don't really know what this thing is made out of. Probably the worst I could expect was staining this shiny plating on the surface. Never hear the end of that. And if it were a copper alloy, it could eat the whole thing up. Now, I know there are a lot of people out there who would be using a power tool to do this. But power tool is neither necessary or, in my opinion, desirable at this moment. I'll come over here, work back to that one that didn't want to. Come on, you. That's it. Hey. Anyways, I was saying, power tool, in my opinion, neither necessary or desirable. And like I've said before, you can really screw up very, very fast when you're going warp 9. So try and stay down at half light. Unless you gotta go to warp. because like I said before, you screw up much quicker at warp 9 than you do at half light speed. I'm going to go put this thing back in the bathroom and test it out. I shall be back in just a few minutes because I got another honeydo. Hey gang, I'm back. You see here these 4 little rubber footies, bumpers, whatever you want to call them. And of course, these. I had to remove these so I could put these. Let me zoom out. On this. It's called a baby gate. When we were babysitting my granddaughter a lot, my wife and I both got tired of stepping over this. Now it's going up to keep the dog out of our bedroom, and we're older. There. Okay, that is that. That's about right. Poor arthritic hips. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't good. Now I can put this drill back in the index. Oh, didn't come out of this index. Came out of the old Chicago electrode drill index. Okay. There we go. Now, let me get a screwdriver. Oh! Oh, great. That is just freaking great. Yeah, that's a good fit.
So we don't rip in the wash, you'll have it back.
Okay.
So it sticks too much, we don't have to fit.
Okay.
Empty. Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Plug it out.
That, dear viewers, is Mrs. Poppy.
Sorry. Still wet. Alright, good one. I don't take well, but I'm sick. I live back in my room.
There. Much superior. Now this goes in the doorway to our bedroom later. Not going to do it right now because I need to. I'll be right back. Uh-huh. One of those crashes you heard was my brand new set of 60 to 80 twist drills hitting the floor. And
Apologize for the interruption.
And this is a tap. 0090. How to get down there? There's this drill index, and there are 4 unaccounted for this one obviously belongs here. Huh. 3 in 1 hole. Oh, 2 missing now. One unaccounted for. And a 0090 tap. Maybe it's even finer. Actually looks a little bit finer than 0090. Well, that's just great. Anyway, as you see, I'll put the hinges on, and it's getting hung probably tomorrow. Well, hell, that's hinging that baby gate and looking for some teeny tiny drill bits because I dropped the index. I'm going to go for now. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Socially distance yourself and start wearing gloves. It's a nasty world full of filthy people leaving their shitty fingerprints everywhere, and you can't see the fingerprints. You just bring that stuff home and get sick. Good night from California, the northern part of which is on fire. Of course, there were tornadoes in Jersey overnight. The hurricane changed the flow of the Mississippi River and made it go backwards. Now, isn't that strange? You're going to tell me there ain't no such thing as global warming and climate change? Who's used underpants that you've been smoking?